Connect a USB port on your PC or Mac to a printer, keyboard, mouse, modem, or other USB-B compatible device input. Fully molded connectors provides excellent strain relief that ensures superior connectivity and a durable, long life. Foil and braid shield. Double shielding prevents and protects the cable from unwanted noise interference. This helps to minimize interference for error-free data transmission between devices. Twisted pair construction helps reduce crosstalk interference, ensuring high-speed, error-free data transfer. Packaging. To ensure you receive the highest quality products, C2G packages all product in C2G branded packaging. Electrical characteristics. Nominal impedance with tolerance 90 ohms plus or minus 15%, nominal compacitance 131 pf/m, and nominal velocity of propagation 12 megabits per second. Just plug and play for keyboards, mice, modems, printers, and other USB peripherals. This cable provides a transfer rate up to 480 megabits per second depending upon the peripheral's USB version, and easily attaches to any USB device. Top reviews from the United States. Great price for a 9-foot cable. All I care about is that it worked. I haven't had this cable for more than a day, but it is working. And the price was great.